I sell dreams and I peddle love to millions of people back home in India.
Peddle, verb, means to sell something. When someone peddles an idea, story, rumor, or lie, they are actively trying to get other people to accept, believe, or support it.
Grappling with all the newness around itself.
Grappling, verb, from grapple, means struggling with something difficult or trying hard to deal with or understand a problem.
He mumbled something about dead people don't tip so well.
Mumbled means to speak in a low, unclear way so that other people couldn't understand the words clearly.
So from that night onwards, much akin to humanity in its adolescence,
The phrase, much akin to humanity, means very similar to human beings or closely resembling the qualities of humans.
I learned the crude tools of survival.
The phrase, crude tools of survival, doesn't refer to actual tools like hammers or knives. Here, tools means the methods or strategies we use to survive difficult situations.
Of this collective endeavor
Endeavor means a determined effort or attempt to achieve a goal.
catapulted me into superstardom.
Catapulted means moved or pushed someone or something forward very quickly and suddenly.
Apparently, he had sown his wild oats with a girl.
Wild oats is an English idiom which means to spend your younger years behaving freely, taking risks, having fun, making mistakes, or having casual romantic or sexual relationships before eventually settling down.
While humanity like me was becoming an overexposed prima donna.
Prima donna is an idiom used to describe someone who expects special treatment, acts as if they're more important than everyone else, and can be difficult to work with.
I asked the most central and pertinent question to humanity and me.
If something is pertinent, it fits the conversation or situation and helps answer the question or solve the problem.
The land I come from is the source of inexplicable.
Inexplicable means impossible or very difficult to explain or understand.
And you can use all the monies that we all have earned to wage futile wars.
Futile means useless because it is unlikely to succeed or produce any meaningful result.
Subscribe to build fluency.